If you want a quick and easy way to make mashed potatoes without having to boil them in a pot of water, and you have an Instant Pot, then you are in luck. Today I have an easy tutorial for how to make creamy, delicious mashed potatoes in an Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where we create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. Let's get started. First, we're going to slice the potatoes. Now we have all of our potatoes chopped. We're going to take them to the Instant Pot. And we'll just put our potatoes right into the Instant Pot. Next, we just add 1 cup of water to the Instant Pot. You can use broth if you prefer broth for a little more flavor. Next, we need to put our lid on and set it to sealing. Okay, so we're going to select pressure cook. We want high pressure. And we want our time to be 6 minutes with no venting. We're going to click start, and we're just going to let it go until the timer is done. Once the timer is done, we'll go ahead and quick vent it. Now that our time is up, we're going to go ahead and change the venting to quick vent, and we're going to let it vent. After cooking, we'll drain the water. To our potatoes in the Instant Pot, we're going to add some butter, add our milk, and our salt and pepper. And using a potato masher, we're just going to mash that all together until they're creamy. And our potatoes are mashed. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make mashed potatoes in an Instant Pot. Simple, easy, and most of all, very quick. And if you want the full printable recipe, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe yet, what's stopping you? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and be sure to click the bell so you'll be notified when we have new videos available. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.